guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Bullymake box for August. If you're not familiar with Bullymake, it is a monthly subscription for dogs that love to chew. So if you have a dog that just cannot make toys last because they tear them apart, this might be a great option for you. It's $39 a month. It includes toys, a mixture of toys and treats. They're mostly made by Bullymake, who creates all the products here in the United States. They source the rubber, the nylon that they use in their toys here in the United States. The treats are grain-free for the most part. They're very conscientious about pets with sensitivities and allergies. They do have a 14-day money-back guarantee on their toys as well. So if your dog tears a toy apart, they will replace it within 14 days. They will replace it, which is really cool. So let's get in here. The curation of these is super cute. Every month it's themed. It changes. The little insert changes. And this is the August Bullymake box. And then on the back, you'll see that they show their featured toys. And then they show the price that you pay if you bought them in their shop. So there's always, as you can see, there's always a Kong type toy. The rubber toy. So this month, is this a spaceship? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Made in the USA. It's orange. It has a little dog going to space. And then they do include the little holes so you can put a bully stick or whatever it is that you put in there for your dog to give them interest. It has lots of texture on there as well so that they can really chew and have fun. So there's that. And that is our Rocket Man, which retails for $18 in their shop. And you can go on and reorder it. If you subscribe to the box, you can go on and I think you get a discount or something like that. All right. Then we have, oh my gosh, look at this. So this is a tooth chew. This incredibly tough toy is made in the USA using USA-sourced nylon. This toy encourages positive chewing behaviors. Chewing helps promote clean teeth by controlling plaque and tartar buildup, long-lasting and durable. Important, always supervise your pet during chew time. Discard the toy if it becomes damaged. Do not throw or toss this toy, designed as a chew toy. So here is our little tooth. I think it's actually really cute. All right. And that is $18 as well. It's called Sweet Tooth. So then we're down to our treats. So first we have Pure Emerald Pet Purely Primed Tender Turkey and Chicken Bacon Strips. Fully cooked and ready to eat. Applewood smoked all natural dog treats. That sounds kind of good enough for humans to consume. So this is a huge box, right? That's cool. And then it looks like you just open it up and it's like little beef jerky for your dog. Over 90% turkey and chicken. It's 2.25 ounces, so there's that. Okay, then there is, oh my gosh, so cute. Bullymake Fresh Sticks. These are healthy dog treats. Are they peppermint or something? I don't think so. What are they called? They're like little sticks. Once I take my pictures, I'll open up the bag and show you guys so you can see in the full review. Actually, let's just open it. Whatever, right? You only live once. Ooh. So they're kind of earthy smelling. I think this might be like a vegetable type. And then they do give all the healthy ingredients. Oh my gosh, the cat wants one. They do give all the ingredients like crude protein, crude fat, crude fiber, moisture. So you know what your dog is eating. One treat per 15 pounds per day. They give serving suggestions. So there's that, and these are also made in the USA. And then finally we have, these are the salmon snaps. I think I've gotten these before, maybe, I'm not sure. So clearly they're made with salmon. Oh my gosh, the cat is just going crazy. Is that what you smell? They do smell fishy. They're little fish. So like little treats. I don't know if you can eat those, dude. I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't know, can a cat eat a dog treat? That's what I'm asking. I'm sorry, I have treats for you downstairs. So that's everything that I received in the August Bullymake box. This is a great one if you are looking for something for your dog that's cute but keeps them occupied the entire month. It's full of treats, it's full of good stuff. It's all sourced here in the United States, created here in the United States by a small handmade company, which that's just the way it should be, right? So if you're interested, I'll link down below to my affiliate link. I'll also link to my full review. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!